He's dead.
Yeah, that
He's
whole
so
team.
close to being dead.
Fuck, I got nothing. Shit.
Well, darn.
Alright. Okay.
Yeah. I need
Bye.
to-
Oh my
Gotta get the
God.
hell out of there, Kimlin.
I'm trying. Come on, gun, gun, gun. Nice, nice, nice. I should get the fuck out of
Land
here.
back here. Does a heli spawn there?
Where?
Oh no. Never mind. Don't go there.
That area might be alright.
Where are you guys? Military?
Yeah.
Go by over that way.
Alright, I'll go get you.
Gunshots here.
We got people
Yep.
here, yeah.
They're doing a recon.
Let's see. We'll go by bridge back.
Okay.
Oh, that shit's been hit. Oh yeah, don't pass that box up. Oh. Think you need 2 of those?
Oh,
Thank you, thank you.
yeah. Speeds.
I will grab that.
Right on top of bounty. Do you guys want that or no?
Yeah, grab it.
Oh jeez. Above us
Another one,
too.
Jeremy.
I got an armor box here. Put down.
Hey, we got
So-
loadout, guys.
Okay. How do you feel about this bounty?
Yeah.
Or
I
should
think
load
they
out
just
first.
got
we get
loadout up there.
first?
Moving. Got a vendor if you need gear. Got some cash here.
How should?
So you guys need plates? Or a plate box? I'm just gonna drop it.
Got it.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, if you got one.
Alright, do you guys want munitions box?
I'm good.
I'm
Okay.
good. How about getting a UAV?
Yep.
Yeah. Here's some of my cash.
I had enough. We're good.
All right.
Looks like they're moving over to this buy.
Can we pop that UAV?
Yeah, let's do it.
Ooh.
Oh,
Oh,
shit.
yeah, right around.
Bunch
Oh
of
my
people.
God.
Moving in.
Oh, there, yeah,
There it is. Broke one. They're running left. Broke one. Oh boy. Ran to the...
Got one.
Good work.
Alright, you guys got enough to get him up?
Oh, he's got loadout or UAV
Oh,
or gulag, yeah.
Yeah.
Good work, guys.
nice. Our bounty's expired. Camped out.
Fine. We'll wait for him. We got. I'm gonna buy another UAV.
Coming back.
I got a UAV. Another UAV. Himlin,
Oh, I
there's
died.
plenty of stuff around here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Plates, ammo.
I'll pick up another bounty. Maybe it'll be the same guys.
Where's my gun? Oh, here. Here's my dead body.
Yeah, it's back corner. Yeah. Pakistan. I mean, there's a whole bunch of stuff over here.
Location marked. Move up.
Need anything? You need sniper ammo?
I do need some
Come on.
sniper ammo. Yeah.
Here you go. Oh. No, those are my
Wrong
guns.
button. Thanks, dude.
There you go.
Here's some more.
Oh, thanks, man.
He's full.
I'm
He's
full. Thanks.
Oh, okay.
I got it. I took it, Andrew.
Got
Alright,
Guys wanna
let's
head the
go.
loadout?
Care package.
Yeah. I'm pop UAV. Oh, shit.
Let's get that guy.
Is it just one?
Yeah, looks like it's just one.
Heading in.
Yep. Just sniped. Broke him. Downed him.
I'm
We've
down.
got one on our loadout.
I got you, Andrew.
Okay.
Hostile
got him.
dropped in.
New plates?
I've got 5. I'm good.
Okay.
Right here, this guy.
Contact.
Alright.
I'm gonna go chase him down.
Yeah, let's go get him. He's got a buddy, I think. Oh, shit.
Got him.
Nice.
There's a
This is
team
so
watching
that
our
whole team.
loadout.
Heading in.
Yeah.
I think it's a bad
Looks like
idea.
they're going away.
but
I think they're going away from.
Here, somebody take these munitions.
Got it.
There's still another box.
I'm gonna go buy a UAV.
Car
Another
coming
UAV.
to the
Car
bar.
coming. It's our bounty.
Yeah.
Down to one.
I downed him.
Oh, shit.
Nice
Gone.
job.
Nice, guys.
That was nice of them to come to us.
What the hell was he
Oh,
thinking?
grab this other bounty.
Where's the other teams at? I need some
Need this?
ammo.
I have munitions if you need it.
No, I'm good. I mean, I'm gonna get a UAV here.
Location marked. Move up.
I have a munitions if you guys ever need it. Just holler.
Oh, we just
Okay.
picked up a
I think we
UAV.
got 2 of them in pocket.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, they just got third party.
You guys have mad money. We should.
Yeah.
Get some self roses.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's true. Do you want to go back
Oh, we
here?
can go down. We can push them. Yeah, we can push them. Let's go.
Yeah.
You guys are rolling.
There
I
was
got a
a
cluster.
there was a marker on orange, so watch your right.
I've got a sniper, so we can sit on this hill and snipe at him.
Location marked.
Yeah, I
Move
got a
up.
sniper too. Guys to our right. On the hill. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ow, fuck. My guy's dead.
Somebody right here.
Downed him.
Copy that.
I'm right behind you, Bridge.
Can you get?
Bridge, I'm right behind you.
He's going to res right now.
Bridge, I could use a res.
Oh shit! Sorry.
Thanks.
I thought you were up. I'm sorry. I apologize.
No, no worries, dude.
So that one guy's still here.
One took off running.
Yeah, one took off
Oh, over here.
top. He's still back there.
One right here.
Oh, left.
Downed him again. On the right.
Thing.
Moving.
See
The hell
that
did
smoke?
they just throw?
Got a sniper. We got a sniper right there.
On blue?
Purple.
Oh. Nice shot, dude.
Thank you.
Yeah, he's still on purple.
On me?
Oh,
Oh no.
what? Right above us, guys.
Yeah.
Out here.
Yeah, sorry.
You guys can get to that buy.
Yep, I'm here. I'm here.
Thank you.
Grid mark. Let's move out.
Where were they?
They're right on my body.
Moving.
Blue tag. See if I can land.
Oh, shh. They're coming down.
I do not see him yet. Oh, there's one. He's downed. I got a kill confirmed.
Yep, I got him. Same guys.
I'm getting shot from that sniper again.
Aid station here.
You got him, Andrew?
What's that?
Oh,
I killed somebody up on the hill. I just got a self-revive.
Yep. By Kimlin back.
Oh shit, my bad.
Thanks.
We're not ignoring you, Kimlin, I promise.
There you go.
Is this your stuff there? Oh,
Yeah.
just.
Yeah, it's my stuff.
Seeing
after this.
some people fly in over here.
Dropping in.
Where at?
Somewhere. I don't know. I just started dropping into the AO. Right here.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
I got some high caliber here.
Do you guys need a UAV?
Body armor here.
Yeah, let's get one. I think we've killed that team about 4 times, it seems like.
In the AO.
Okay, so there's a team over here.
Target location.
Helicopter coming in.
Down
Oh,
one.
nice.
Down one.
Downed one.
Dang. They're all gone.
Oh my god. All but
guys.
one left.
We might get reported on that one.
Still trying to get that pilot.
Enemy healer.
Holy shit.
That was
awesome.
great.
Just saw people raining out of the sky.
He's coming back.
What the?
He got me. He got me. He jumped out.
There he is. Got him. He was very
coming for
upset that we
vengeance.
killed his whole team.
Yeah, he was really mad.
Oh, he just brought us a bunch of stuff, so that was nice.
That's so funny.
Setting Claymore.
There's another satchel back here.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Can we all get self-res?
Still get self-res.
Here you go.
Kimlin, you can buy self-res.
I can? Oh, thanks, man.
Yeah, there's money here.
Thanks, guys.
Yep.
Alright.
Guess let's just wait and see result.
We have 2 munitions boxes, right?
Yes, I've got one. I know.
Do you still have one, Jim?
Yeah, I have munitions.
Can you drop one? I want to get some thermites again. So we'll just drop one of them. Jim, you drop yours.
Drop what?
Drop your munitions. I want to get some thermites. Because Andrew still has one.
No, I don't.
Can I do
I
that?
dropped mine.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
I don't know if I can drop that.
I thought you had munitions box.
Oh, there, yeah, there it is.
Anybody need this?
Oh, you need munitions? Even
I just want
bunch of
thermites.
stuff.
Cal here, Mid Cal here.
Oh,
Cal
okay.
here. Got some body armor.
Yeah, sure.
There. Okay.
Anybody need this?
That's what I was. Thank you.
Sorry, I didn't get what you were asking for.
Nope. Understand. There's still a shit ton left.
There's 2 boxes there.
Package.
There's got to be people back here at these houses rotating.
I think we should push toward this blue house.
Yep. Sounds
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Blue marker.
Yeah.
good. Yeah.
Looks like I'm
Well, these haven't even been hit.
gonna need a 10.
We're in the safe zone. Watch for enemy.
Here's another armor box
They're targeting me.
I can carry
where
it.
you can shut it. Oh look, there's another thermite here. Damn it, I could've waited, but it's alright, we're good.
Another one.
Sending Claymore.
Where are we gonna drop? Where is it gonna go?
Sending Claymore.
We have 20 kills.
Nice.
28, not that many.
There are 24 enemies still out there. Kill them all.
20. Oh, 20.
Yeah.
Moving in. Use safe zone
Yeah,
location.
20.
I thought you said 20. I thought you said 28.
In their sights.
There's still time for 28.
Oh shit.
How do you want to move in? Towards the buy or?
Location marked. Move up.
Just watch out for orange. There's somebody there.
They're targeting me.
Oh shit! Behind me! Behind me! Behind me! Oh boy.
Down one there.
Sending thermite.
Got these guys.
Down one.
Oh shit! How did he just run past you?
Team wipe.
Nice guys. Go go go! No, can you buy? No, you can't. Shit.
Yeah, no money. We didn't have time to loot those guys. Does anybody need plates? Guys, on us.
Shit, there's someone still
Still
alive.
up. Boom.
Nice.
Yeah, help me up.
Oh, he's got resin.
Got it.
Oh, thanks, thanks, thanks.
Just come here. There's lots of stuff.
Yeah.
Waiting up.
I'm gonna drop a plate box. Oh, I guess we don't need it.
He's got a satchel right here.
Thank you.
Get to the safe zone.
Okay, 3 other teams.
Let's throw
We're fighting.
I'm gonna throw a cluster. Just point me in their direction.
Right here.
Okay.
Less than 10 enemies remain.
Okay, 2 more people.
Got him.
Hey, nice
Hey.
job, boys.
Hey, boys.
9,
at our
8,
kill.
7, 6. That was good.
Our kill count. Damn. That was a clutch res, guys.